How to reset your Apple ID password on iPhone. Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how can you reset your Apple ID password on your iPhone. So let's get started. First, you'll have to open settings on your iPhone. After you open settings, at the top, you'll have to tap on your Apple account. Alright, after you open Apple account, from here, tap on the option sign in and security. And from the section, you'll have to tap on change password. From here, you'll have to just go the security delay process to change password of your Apple account. Simply from here, scroll down and go the option start security delay. This security delay will last for 1 hour, and after 1 hour, you will be able to use your iPhone during this delay. And from this section, you can manually change the password of your Apple account. So simply tap on the option start security delay. Alright, as you can see, here is the time remaining for 1 hour, and after the 1 hour will complete, you can easily change your Apple ID and password from this section. So this is the easiest and simplest method. Hope you found this video helpful to you, and please don't forget to give a like and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more quick and short tutorial like this. Thank you for watching this. Have a nice day.